Good afternoon, Madam Haryati. My name is Kuei Yitong with my matrix number 294002. I'm from Group 5 and today I would like to share my contributions and responsibilities in the language testing project of our group. This project was a valuable learning experience for me and I'm excited to share my journey. This project commenced with a series of brainstorming sessions where our team collaboratively discussed the objectives and scope of the English language test. We explored various aspects such as the target audience for our test. Are we aiming to assess students in a university setting, school-aged children, or professionals? We then brainstormed different types of tests we could include, such as reading comprehension, writing tasks, listening exercises, and speaking assessments. We discussed the advantages and disadvantages and considered the feasibility of implementing them within the project timeline. Furthermore, we deliberated on the specific skills that we wanted to assess through our tests. Would it focus on grammar, vocabulary, fluency, or overall communicative competence? These discussions were crucial in shaping the overall direction of our project. Next, following the brainstorming sessions, our team leader has assigned roles to everyone, and I was tasked with developing the listening test for beginner level for English learners. This was a challenging but rewarding responsibility to me. I began by conducting in-depth online research, exploring a vast number of available listening test questions. I sourced educational websites, online resources, and even academic databases to find suitable materials. I carefully evaluated each question to ensure it aligned with the beginner level, considering factors such as vocabulary complexity, sentence structure, and the overall difficulty of the audio content. Once I had gathered a sufficient number of potential questions, I carefully filtered them based on their relevance, clarity, and appropriateness for beginner level learners. I discarded questions that were too complex, contained unfamiliar vocabulary, or were culturally insensitive. I then meticulously inserted the selected questions into the shared Google Doc, ensuring clear organization and easy access for my team members. I formatted the document with clear headings, subheadings, and instructions to enhance readability. For each question, I diligently provided the source for proper attribution and included the correct answers or marking schemes at the end of each section. This ensured consistency and transparency in the evaluation process. In addition to developing the listening test, I was assigned the task of writing the introduction section for the project report. This involved researching and gathering information on language testing principles and methodologies. I explored various theories and frameworks that are related to language assessment, such as communicative language testing and criterion reference assessment. I learned about the importance of test validity, reliability, and fairness in language testing. This research deepened my understanding of the theoretical underpinnings of our project and provided a strong foundation for the report. Now, I would like to talk about my strengths and weaknesses during this project. One of my strengths is that I have good technical skills. I can use different software to write reports, conduct research, and presentations. I am also good at communicating with people. I can share my ideas clearly and listen to others' opinions. However, I also have some weaknesses. One weakness is time management. It was challenging to balance the project with my final exams and Chinese New Year preparations. I had to help my family to clean the house and get ready for the celebrations. Another weakness is maintaining focus. It was sometimes difficult to concentrate on the project with all the festive activities and family obligations happening around me. Overall, I learned a lot from this project. both about my strengths and weaknesses. I will try to improve my time management and focus in future projects. In a nutshell, I'm grateful for the opportunity to have been a part of this English language test project. I believe that my contributions to brainstorming, developing the listening test, and writing the introduction section has significantly contributed to the overall success of the project. This project has not only enhanced my understanding of language testing principles, but also developed my teamwork, research, and organizational skills. I believe that the knowledge and skills I gained from this project will be very invaluable in my future academic and professional pursuits.